Spanish idioma if you may take your position at the signing table. Your Excellency, Francia Marquez will be countersigning on the MOU on gender equality and women empowerment. You may take your seats. Members of the press, you're invited to capture this historic moment, which is a culmination of a morning-long bilateral political consultation between the Republic of Kenya and the Republic of Colombia. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, Madam Cabinet Secretary. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. As Her Excellency Francia Marquez takes her position behind the seats at the signing table, I wish at this juncture to invite PS Foreign Affairs Dr. together with his Colombian counterpart, Vice Minister Francisco Coy. It is the signing of the MOU or Memorandum of Understanding on the establishment of a joint commission on economic, technical, scientific, and cultural cooperation between the Republic of Kenya and Colombia. Thank you very much. A round of applause. Thank you. Still on the signing table, I request gentlemen that we still maintain our positions to experience Dr. Sonoy Correo as well as Francis Report for the signing of the Declaration of Intent of Spanish as a foreign language. A round of applause. Thank you. I wish to now call to the signing table the Minister of Principal Secretary, Culture, John Olutua, for the signing on the Declaration on Intent on Promotion of Culture. I wish at this juncture to also invite Jorge Sanchez for the signing of the Declaration of Culture. That is a declaration of intent on collaboration in the field of culture. Thank you. I wish to request the PA's Tourism John Olotua to remain at the signing table and invite Vice Minister Arturo Bravo for the signing of the Declaration of Intent on Tourism, that is, promotion of restorative and regenerative tourism. Gentlemen, you may take your seats. That is the signing of Declaration of Intent on promotion of restorative and regenerative tourism. Thank you. I wish at this juncture to invite PS Dr. Beatrice Inyangala and Vice Minister Carolina Quijano for the signing. Ladies, you may take your seats for the signing. That is the signing on the Declaration of Intent on collaboration in higher education following successful gala opens for consultations resumed. Round of applause. Thank you. At this juncture, I wish to invite PS Trade Alfred Pombudo and Vice Minister Carolina Quijano for the signing on the Declaration of Intent on promotion of trade and investment. Gentlemen, I request you take your seats for the signing. Point to note, the tourism PS Arturo Bravo is signing the Declaration of Intent on promotion of trade and investment with PS Alfred Pombudo. Display to media this historic moment. Thank you. At this juncture, I wish to thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for witnessing the signing of MOUs that further foster and cement the collaboration between the two republics of Kenya and Colombia. Your Excellencies, at this juncture, I wish to invite all